Sunday night. This is a test message. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 9998, effective until 2 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota, Houston and Winona, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, Crawford, Jackson, La Crosse, Monroe, Trempealeau, and Vernon. Repeating, this a test. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and southwest into central Wisconsin. Sunny. Highs in the lower 60s.
This is a test. This is a statewide tornado drill in both Minnesota and Wisconsin. Again, this is only a test tornado warning. This would be the time to practice your tornado safety rules. This test tornado warning goes through 2 p.m. Once again, this is only a test tornado warning for the states of Minnesota and Wisconsin.
And now a look at your forecast for the La Crosse area.